In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Arduino IDE in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just Google Arduino IDE. We'll be having the official link from arduino.cc. Click that, and here we will be having Arduino IDE with the version, and if you click this drop down, we are having for Windows, Linux and Mac. I'm fine with Windows. I will just click on download. The download will be getting started. It is around 151 MB in size. Just be patient for a while. Once the download is complete, just open it and we'll be getting the license agreement. Just click on I agree. This is fine. Just click on next. This is going to be the default location where it will be installed. If you want to change it, just click on browse and change it to a different drive. And after that is done, just click on install. This will take some time. Just be patient. Once it is completed, just click on finish and Arduino IDE will be opened. We will be getting some pop-ups needing allow access. Just click on that. And some packages of Arduino will be getting installed over here. And we'll be getting this also. Just click on install. Install for this also. Here also. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.